Hello guys, and in today's video we'll talk about trading strategy, and we will talk how you should create your trading strategy. And in today's video we won't talk about basic things like risk management, about optimal trading time, about how you should choose market that you will trade, or how you should choose specific pair that you will trade, because I feel like we already talked a lot about those things in our channel, and if you feel like you need that information, then you should watch our other videos. But today we'll talk about a little bit more complicated things like bias and setup or setups. Firstly, what is bias and what is setup? Bias is your opinion if market will go lower or it will go higher, and also it's the argumentation of your opinion. So, for example, you think that the market will go higher, and you think that because you see bullish order flow and something else. And the setup, it's your entry. So some traders use regular break of structure as their entries. Some traders use AMD models or market maker models or something else. It doesn't really matter. And today also we will talk about different setups and how you can create setups and also how you can backtest them. We'll talk about backtest later also. But right now just remember that bias is your opinion and the argumentation of your opinion, and setup is just your entry. And remember that those two things, they they have to be connected all the time. Now let's talk about bias. As I said, bias is your opinion and it's argumentation of your opinion. How you can do some sort of argumentation in your opinion with arguments. In our case, arguments are instruments. So we have liquidity, fair value gaps, and market structure, order flow, and so on, so on, so on. You have to choose couple instruments and also to choose couple time frames, and then you have to do some sort of algorithm to write strategy how you will work with your bias, how you will use all those instruments together. So how you will use daily time frame and what you will look for on daily time frame, and how you will work with the 30-minute time frame and what you will look for on a 30-minute time frame, and how you will connect them. You have to write down all those things, and then you can move to the setups. Right now you see examples of different setups, and you have to understand that setups are just your entries. So just your target, it's your entry, and it's your stop loss, and that's it. But the logic behind the trade always will be in your bias. And you can create a lot of different setups, but in my opinion, you don't need more than 2 or 3 because I don't know. In my opinion, it will be you'll just make things harder than they really should be. And you can use different setups. For example, 1 minute trade with 1 minute break of structure, or 30-minute trade with 3 minute break of structure, or you can create something else. So you can play with those variations as much as you want, and your end goal is to create something that will give you a very big strike rate in connection. And it would be nice if you had. No, to be honest, it's not really your goal to create something that will give you very high strike rate because it's very subjective. For some of you, it will be better to have 20 trades during the month, but with 50% strike rate. And for some of you, it will be better to have 10 trades in a month but with 70% strike rate. It's very subjective, and you have to um, you have to figure it out by yourself. But your end goal is to create a trading strategy that will be comfortable for you. Now when you have done your bias and when you have done your setups, let's move to the backtest. The main thing in backtest is to take only those trades that suit your trading strategy. Because if you will take random trades every time, then it will be just a waste of time, and you won't get to know the win rate of your trading strategy. You have to understand that. And also we will use fixed replay because TradingView doesn't allow us to do backtest on distance that's long enough, because if you're using lower time frame, especially when you're using lower time frame, because if you're trading 3-minute time frame, then you'll be able to do your backtest only during the last 2 months or something like that, and in my opinion that's not enough. In my opinion, you need to have at least 1 year of backtest. um, but let's say that here we are backtesting daily bias that's combined with 30-minute time frame order flow. And guys, remember that it will be just an example. Here I want to show you how to do your backtest. I'm not trying to show you what to backtest. I'm trying to show you how to backtest. So let's start. Right now we can see that price is moving at a bearish order flow. So we can see the work with liquidity, work with the fair value gap. So my daily bias would be short here, but also we can see that price rates a very big bull with liquidity, but I can't see strong reaction right here. Uh, when we look at the 30-minute time frame, we can see that rate of liquidity that did very strong reaction, which invalidated our long order flow. So right now I'm interested only in short positions, and let's see what market gives us. Here we can see the work with liquidity, and here I would be interested in short position, because here I see valid short order flow, and also my daily bias is also short. So here price hits our take profit, and also guys, I won't do it right here, but remember that also you need to do your journal in Notion, where you will put all your trades with screenshots and argumentation, because that way it will be easier for you to analyze all your data, and to figure out some rules that will help you to trade better, for example, or some rules that will help you to get break-evens or something like that. So you need to understand that you have to be serious with your backtesting, because backtesting is very important thing. Guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and also you should follow us on our other social medias, especially on our Telegram, because there we share our daily analytics. And also you can watch our other videos. There we shared a lot of very valuable information, and if you have any questions or suggestions or offers or something like that, then you can freely DM us in our Instagram. And thank you for watching another time. If you like the video, click the like and click the subscribe. Leave the comment below, and that's it. See you in the next videos.